Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about how to make ends meet, feeling the stress of financial uncertainty every single day? Do you dream of financial security but feel trapped by your current salary? Do you often imagine a life where you don't have to worry about unexpected expenses or emergencies? You are not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat, struggling to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The good news is that building wealth on a salary is possible. It may seem challenging, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve financial stability. It starts with changing your mindset and taking control of your finances. By creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting financial goals, you can begin to see a path forward. This journey isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about making consistent, smart choices that lead to gradual improvements in your financial situation. It's about making smart choices today to create a brighter tomorrow. Investing wisely, saving diligently, and spending thoughtfully can pave the way to financial freedom. It's about achieving financial freedom, the freedom to live life on your terms, pursue your passions, and retire comfortably. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with knowing your future is secure. Imagine a life where you're not stressed about bills, where you can afford to take vacations, and where you have enough saved for a comfortable retirement. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your hard work without financial worries. This life is within your reach. With determination and the right approach, you can transform your financial reality. Let's embark on this journey together. You don't have to do it alone. There are resources and communities ready to support you. Let's unlock your wealth potential and create the financial future you deserve. Together, we can make your dreams of financial freedom a reality. When we talk about wealth, we often think of piles of money. But true wealth is about much more than just your bank balance. It's about having financial freedom and security. It's about having options and choices in your life. True wealth is financial security, knowing you can cover your expenses, handle emergencies, and plan for the future without constant worry. Peace of mind, feeling calm and in control of your finances, not stressed or overwhelmed. Freedom and choices, having the flexibility to pursue your passions, travel, spend time with loved ones, and retire comfortably. Wealth is about building a life you love, a life where money is no longer a constant source of stress. It's about achieving financial independence and living life on your own terms. Building wealth starts in your mind. It's about adopting a wealth-building mindset, one that focuses on long-term financial well-being. Here's how to shift your thinking. Believe in yourself. You have the power to change your financial situation. Start with small steps and celebrate your progress. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial freedom means to you. Write down your goals, both short-term and long-term. This will keep you motivated. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Stay focused on your goals and keep going. Embrace learning. Educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from financial experts. Remember, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Cultivate a positive, proactive approach to your finances, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Budgeting. It's a word that often evokes feelings of dread or restriction, but in reality, a budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. It's simply a plan for how you'll spend and save your money each month. Many people feel overwhelmed when they think about budgeting, imagining it as a tedious task that limits their spending. However, budgeting is actually empowering. It gives you control over your finances and helps you make informed decisions. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works. First, track your spending. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app to track where your money is going. Categorize your expenses. Divide your spending into categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and more. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. Set realistic savings goals. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Start small and gradually increase your savings rate over time. Create your budget by allocating your income to different spending categories, ensuring you prioritize your savings goals. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Your budget should be a living document that evolves with your financial situation. Review it monthly and make adjustments as needed. Remember, budgeting is not about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy financial peace of mind. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of budgeting and taking control of your financial future. Section 5. The power of saving, building a safety net, and more. Saving is the cornerstone of wealth building. It provides a safety net for emergencies, helps you reach your financial goals faster, and gives you peace of mind. Here's how to make saving a habit. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible savings account. This will protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Automate this process to make it effortless. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life. Increase your savings rate gradually. Challenge yourself to save a little more each month, even if it's just a small amount. Section 6. Investing in your future. Simple steps to get started. Saving is essential, but to truly grow your wealth, you need to invest your money. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating passive income and helping you reach your financial goals faster. Here are some basic investment options. Retirement accounts. Contribute to employer-sponsored plans like 401(k)s or open an individual retirement account, also known as an IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages for retirement savings. Low-cost index funds. These funds track a specific market index, providing diversification and typically lower fees than actively managed funds. Robo-advisors. These online platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you, making investing simple and accessible. Remember to consult with a financial advisor if needed to determine the best investment strategy for your individual circumstances. Section 7. Boosting your income, creative ways to earn more. While managing your expenses and investing wisely are crucial, increasing your income can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. Here are some ways to boost your earning potential. Seek promotions and raises. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary and ask for what you deserve. Highlight your accomplishments and demonstrate your value to the company. Explore side hustles. Turn your skills and passions into extra income. Consider freelancing, consulting, or starting an online business. Invest in your education and skills. Continuously learning and acquiring new skills can make you more competitive in the job market and open doors to higher-paying opportunities. Remember, your income is not limited to your current salary. By being proactive and exploring different avenues, you can create multiple streams of income and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Section 8. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your wealth potential. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your decision to embark on this journey. Remember, building wealth on a salary is a journey, not a race. It's about consistent effort and making informed decisions over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to making smart financial choices. Regularly reviewing your financial situation and adjusting your plans is crucial. Key takeaways. Adopt a wealth-building mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude towards money, and believe in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Believe in your ability to achieve financial freedom and set clear goals. Master budgeting. A well-planned budget is the foundation of financial success. Track your spending, create a realistic budget, and prioritize saving. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Embrace the power of saving. Make saving a habit and watch your wealth grow over time. Build an emergency fund and make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial plan. Start investing early. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. Explore income-boosting opportunities. Diversifying your income streams can significantly enhance your financial stability. Don't be afraid to ask for more and explore ways to diversify your income streams. This could include negotiating a raise or starting a side hustle. Start today, even if it's with small steps. Every action you take brings you closer to your financial goals. The sooner you begin, the more time you have to build a secure and prosperous future. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results over time. You have the power to create the life you desire. Your financial freedom is within reach. Take charge of your finances, and unlock your true wealth potential. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Your journey starts now.